Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to set a timer on Snapchat. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, in order to do this, as you can see, I'm currently on the camera screen. What you need to do is to come to the right hand side and click onto this down arrow to bring up some more options. Now when you bring up some more options, you're going to see the option for timer. Go ahead and click on it. As you can see, this is going to set a 3-second photo timer. Then what you can do is tap this again for a video timer. Set your length from here. Once you've done, go back and press the button to start taking your picture. As you can see, there is a countdown, and just like so, we've taken the picture with the timer. So that's it. That is how to set a timer on Snapchat. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.